They said we couldn't do it. They called us crazy. Nobody starts a farm anymore. We weren't gonna listen. This is C.F.F, and I got something for you to look at.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Today I'm working on the gable ends metal. I really enjoyed this one because my eldest son was actually helping me out with a lot of it. I wouldn't let him get on the ladder yet or run the grinder, but I did let him use the drill and pre-drill the holes. He really loved being a part of this and was super excited to lend his helping hand. He was actually interested in what we were doing and why. I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers out there for joining us on this journey. You're all a blessing to us, and we'd like to say thank you. Logan was so bummed when he couldn't help out with this part. He really wanted to do it, but I didn't think he was ready for that yet. The kids are so excited for us to get the barn done, because they know that means we'll be able to keep more animals all year round. The kids have been the biggest driver for us getting this barn done. I have to tell them all the time we have to wait for spring to pour the concrete. We don't know for sure how much of the concrete we'll be able to afford for this coming year. We will start out with pouring a third to half of it this coming year. 2020, here we come. Thank you for watching. Give us a huge thumbs up if you like what we're doing here at C.F.F. We will see you next time. God bless you and your family.